Everybody's trying their love, locking their love letter.
Oh.
Like we are missing out on so many good things. But it is said if you come here with your lover, your love will be eternal. It's so huge, like a ball.
अरे बाप रे कत भीड़.
Looks like we are exploring the whole of AYIA NAPA in just one day.
Right, here is petrol station.
Okay.
If you're going down, left, end of the road, you come again left. Here is Landa Beach, Sea Cave Landa Beach.
Okay.
It's only down, left, end of the road, left. And after you follow this road, you come to the main road. If you come like this, here big roundabout, police, small roundabout for marine. So you come like this. Here you find sign Cabo Greco. You go right from here around 400-500 meters. You see one old my from here is off-road. You go down slowly. Here is Sea Cave.
Okay.
Very beautiful place, and the people jump to the water. But it's dangerous. So you come like this.
We have finally taken ATV today. That's the one. It's costing 45 euros for 24 hours. We will be returning it tomorrow, and we have been also provided with a map with all the instructions to where to go and where not to go, especially the occupied areas of Cyprus. You cannot go there. But from AYIA NAPA there are certain places where you can visit. So they have guided us very nicely. So he's giving instructions to Rohit how to use the ATV. There's the storage. Yay, we are finally Okay, this information is solely for the those who are afraid to ride an ATV. It's not that complicated. It just has gears like normal car, automatic cars. If you know how to ride a scooter or scooty, it's going to be easy for you. It's a combination of scooter, scooty and cars. So trust me, it's very nice. This was our first time. We are here at the Open Sculpture Museum. There's no entry fees here. You just enter. The sculpture park of AYIA NAPA was opened in 2014.
And every year they organize a symposium where sculptors from around the world can participate.
It covers a huge area and is situated just 4 to 5 kilometers from the AYIA NAPA center. There's water to drink. It's drinkable. You can just fill up your bottles. Love locks here as well. Any bridge you see, anything, it's just a love lock. Everybody's trying their love, locking their love letter. This park is beautiful. Just keep enough time with you so that you can explore the whole area because it's huge. Also, there's a cactus park here where you can go and check out different kind of cactuses. This park is free. There's no ticket or anything.
This is the bus stand right beside the sculpture park where you can get the public buses.
Heading towards our next destination now, that is the Lovers Bridge. We are here at the Sea Caves and not Lovers Bridge. We will go there next. So this was on the way. So we came here first. That's a submarine for tourists, of course. Just look at this. Crystal clear water. So blue, and from the cliff everybody's jumping.
Oh.
The place is so heavenly. Wish we knew swimming, then definitely would have done the cliff jumping from here. It looks like we are missing out on so many good things. And these are the sea caves. These are the sea caves. You see, people are there enjoying. From here you can go down to explore the caves. What we recommend is you to have your own private vehicle, rent something, ATV, scooter, bike, cycle, anything, whatever you want. Just rent it and come. Otherwise there is a bus stop also, but if you get down at the bus stop, you'll have to walk half a kilometer for that. So be prepared in the sun. This is the Konnos Beach. From the top we will be going. We have parked our ATV there, and then from there we will be going. Let's go. This beach was awarded the blue flag because it's so blue and clean. And that's the beach. We are at the Konnos Beach, which is one of the nude beaches of Cyprus, and we are now chilling with frappe and burgers. From a very long time we are saying that we will be going to the Lovers Bridge, but on the way there are a lot of other spots. So we are going there first, and then at last we will be going to the Lovers Bridge. So now I'm finally saying that okay, we are going to the Lovers Bridge. And this time I am taking Rohit to Lovers Bridge. Now we are here at the Lovers Bridge. So it's written that the bridge may collapse. So you know, it's very risky to walk on that bridge.
There is a fencing here now, so you can't actually go there where the actual bridge is.
Well, it is said if you come here with your lover, your love will be eternal. There was nothing much to do here, so we dropped in at a nearby church like the ones we see in photos from Greece, mainly Santorini. It's very difficult to explain in words how stunning the whole scenery was. Looked very untouched. You know, Cyprus cats are just so famous here. It's so huge, like a ball. It's not like regular cats that we see. We are in Kambouri Beach now, and this is considered as one of the most nudist beaches of Cyprus. The water is so cold and relaxing. After so many days, we are actually chilling like this. Once we went to the Blue Lagoon, and then next here because we were just so busy like roaming here and there.
এখানে জলও ক্লিয়ার রে।
It's not that crowded, not so overcrowded like the one that we saw, that is the Konnos Beach. That is very crowded. So if you want a peaceful beach, come to Kambouri Beach. It's nice, it's very nice. We are at the Nissi Beach right now. It's a very famous beach and a touristy beach, of course.
It's very crowded.
You can literally walk and go. That's the main island, and from there we are going to another island just by walking.
আরে বাপরে কত ভিড়!
We came to the Ziatzi Beach just to chill with the ATV because we are utilizing it fully as usual. There's nothing much. The whole country is a beach. So yeah, it's beautiful. It looks beautiful. It's evening now, around 5:30 p.m. Now we will again go to some other beach. Looks like we are exploring the whole of AYIA NAPA in just one day. Lastly, we dropped by the Landa Beach, which got very clear and the temperature was a bit chilly. We will keep this video till here. In the next video, you'll get to see something unique, so stay tuned by subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to let us know in the comments which place you like the most and would love to go.